Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Sari. Today I want to talk to you guys about unlocking the full potential of your truck. I recently got this ARE camper shell for my truck and it has been life-changing. Before I've had just nothing on there, just a bare empty truck bed for 3 years, and I really didn't use it much except to move things, haul stuff. But now with the camper shell, it unlocked a whole new um, world, you could say. Today I am in Payson. It's about an hour and a half drive from where I live. And what's nice about having a camper shell is it doesn't really limit you unless you really need to haul really big stuff. But a camper shell, especially if you like the outdoors, has been a game changer for me. Here's a quick look at my setup. I have this in my truck year round. I do go mountain biking a lot, so I could still fit my mountain bike right in here. This is an ARE camper shell. It's got side windows. It's the high top. And basically, why you need one of these for your vehicle is just being able to have a home away from home, being able to go places and not worry about where you might need to sleep. Ultimately, you need 3 things to survive: food, water, and shelter. Not only is it good for emergency situations, but like for example, I just woke up this morning and wanted to enjoy the nature. It's very hot in the city, so I drove up here to the mountains. Now I'm enjoying the 70-degree weather out here. Making some tea. I like to pack really light. I'll do another video on my setup here, but this video mainly I just wanted to talk about why you need a camper shell. It doesn't take away from the look of the truck. I think it makes it look way better. It's like, like a rig with a sleeper cab. Doesn't really impact fuel economy much. Basically, even my parents, usually they get mad at me for buying unnecessary stuff, but they told me that this was a really good purchase. It's lockable, so I can store things in there. And yeah, so basically that's all I wanted to talk about. Just unlocking the full potential of your truck with a camper shell. I'll make another video on more about my setup. And thanks, and have a nice day.